In this video, I will show you how to generate videos in Perplexity for free. Most people think you need a Pro or Max subscription to access video generation, and that's true, but I'm about to show you a simple trick to unlock this feature for free. Stay with me till the end, because the videos you can create with this method are absolutely incredible. The secret lies in Perplexity's brand new browser called Comet. I'm an official partner for Perplexity Comet, and here's the deal. If you download Comet through my special link in the description and make your first search inside the browser, you'll automatically receive Perplexity Pro worth $20 completely free. But here's the catch. This is a limited time offer, so you'll want to grab it as quickly as possible before it disappears. Once you have Perplexity Pro access, generating videos becomes incredibly straightforward. Let me walk you through exactly how this works. I'm going to start with a simple example. Let's say I want to create a video of a whale jumping out of the moon's surface. Sounds wild, right? I'll just type that prompt and hit enter. Watch what happens next. The moment I submit my prompt, Perplexity starts working on the video generation. But here's something really cool that sets Perplexity apart from other AI video tools. The AI doesn't just take your basic prompt and run with it. Instead, it actually enhances and expands your prompt automatically, adding detailed descriptions and specifications that dramatically improve the final output quality. This automatic prompt enhancement saves you tons of time. You don't need to spend minutes crafting the perfect detailed prompt. Just give it your basic idea, and Perplexity handles the rest. Now, you might be wondering which AI model Perplexity uses for video generation. For Pro subscribers, it's Google Veo 3.1 for videos that need audio, while Seedance 1.0 Pro handles videos without audio requirements. These are seriously powerful models that produce professional quality results. Before we see the final video, let's talk about the limitations you should know about. With the Pro plan, you can generate 5 videos per month. The Max plan increases that to 15 videos monthly. Is that a lot? Not really. But for experimenting and creating occasional videos, it's actually quite generous, especially considering you're getting it for free using my method. Alright, our video is ready. Let me play it for you. As you can see, the quality is genuinely impressive. The whale looks realistic, the lunar surface has proper texture and lighting, and the motion feels natural and smooth. This is the kind of output you'd expect from premium AI video tools. Here's another advantage I need to point out. Normally, when you generate videos using Veo 3.1 through other platforms, you'll notice a watermark in the bottom right corner of every video. But with Perplexity, there's no watermark at all. Your videos are clean and ready to use without any branding cluttering the frame. That's a huge bonus if you're creating content for social media or professional projects. Downloading your creation is simple too. Just click the download button right here and the video saves directly to your device. No complicated export process or format conversions needed. But wait, there's more. Perplexity doesn't just generate videos from text prompts. You can also create videos from images, which opens up even more creative possibilities. Let me show you how this works. I've already generated an image of a man skydiving from a hot air balloon using Perplexity's image generation feature. Now I want to bring this static image to life. I'll give it a prompt describing the action I want to see. Something like man jumping from a hot air balloon and waving towards the camera. Let's see what happens. Just like before, Perplexity takes my basic prompt and automatically enhances it with additional details. The AI understands the motion, the camera angle, the sequence of events, and adds all those specifications to create a more cinematic result. This is the kind of intelligent assistance that makes Perplexity stand out. Our image-to-video generation is complete. Let me play this one for you. Look at that. The transition from static image to dynamic motion is seamless. The man's movements look natural, the parachute deployment feels realistic, and the entire sequence flows beautifully. The fact that this started as a still image and became this smooth video is genuinely impressive. This image-to-video feature is perfect for bringing your concept art to life, creating animated versions of photographs, or adding movement to illustrations. The creative applications are endless. So there you have it. That's how you generate professional quality AI videos in Perplexity without spending any money. The key is getting that free Perplexity Pro subscription through the Comet browser using my link in the description. Remember, this offer won't last forever, so download Comet now, make that first search, and unlock your Pro access. If you want to watch a detailed video on some insane use cases for the Comet AI browser, just click the video appearing on your screen.